Mansi Jain. I am a second year student of IITS DAVV Indore pursuing my course MCA Integrated. Today I am presenting my topic propositional logic. So let's start the topic. Now we start what is propositional or statement. An expression consisting of some symbols, letters and words is called a statement if it is true or false value. We can simply say a sentence which have two values either true or false. We can simply say that a statement. Now let's say the example. What is statement? For example, Lalu Prasad Yadav is a PM of India. So it has two values either a true or false. Currently it is false. Second, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. True. Third, 7 is less than 5. 7 is always less than 7 is always less than 5. It is always false value. See the next topic, truth value. What is truth value? If any proposition is true, then its truth value is denoted by T. And if the proposition is false, then its truth value is denoted by F. For example, 4 is greater than 5. 4 is greater than 5 is a false, so it is denoted by F. 3 is less than 4, it is denoted by true. Next is 5 is odd number. 5 is odd number, it is true, so it is denoted by T. Now, see the types of proposition. First one is simple proposition. The proposition having one subject or one predicate is called simple proposition. For example, the pen is blue. So here we can see simply one subject is pen and one predicate is blue. Next is every even number is divisible by 2. So here we can simply see one subject is even number and one predicate is divisible by 2. Proposition. Compound proposition, two or more simple proposition when combined by various connectives into a single composite sentence is called a compound proposition. We can simply say compound proposition is a combination of two or more proposition. Example, you can go inside east direction or west direction. So it is a combination of two simple sentences. You can go inside east direction, first sentence, and you can go inside west direction, it's a second statement. And compound statement is a combination of these statements. Next are symbol which is used to connect two or more statements. Here the example of various logical connective. First is conjunction denoted by these symbols and read as a P conjunction Q. Next is disjunction denoted by these symbols and also read as a P disjunction Q. Negation denoted by tilde this symbol and read as a negation of P. Next is equivalent denoted by these symbols and read as a P equivalent Q. Conditional if denoted by these symbols and read as a P conditional Q. Biconditional if and only if denoted by these arrow symbol and also read as a P biconditional Q. Now next we will cover the topic of these statements. Basic logic operation. First one is conjunction. So what is conjunction? Suppose there are two statements P and Q. When these two statements are combined by using the word and, then we get a new statement represented by P and Q. Read as a P conjunction Q. P and Q truth table here present. So we can simply understand the example. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is a first statement and second statement is a 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. First statement is true and second is also true. So we can see that true and P conjunction Q is true because it simply perform mathematical AND operation. Consider negation. We can consider P negation of Q or operation is a E and G is a negation of P and or operation with negation of Q. So when we evaluate E or G, we can find out the result FT. And for this example, E or Z also perform as a OR operation with Q. So here when we perform a E or G with negation of with disjunction, Disjunction is similar as a conjunction, but it is follow the rule of mathematical plus operator. Simply say, Bhopal is a capital of Madhya Pradesh and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is true. And second condition is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It is true. So true plus true, we can simply say here true. It is necessary for disjunction operator. Both our condition will false if we getting the false result. Both our condition are true if we getting a true result. It is not necessary. Negation. Negation is simply means opposition of any statement. Means that if our statement is true, it converts as false, and if our statement is false, it converts as true. The sun is sign. So negation of P is simply the sun is not sign. Now we consider next very important topic, tautology and contradiction. So what is tautology? A proposition is said to be a tautology if it contains only T in last column in truth table, and if contain only false in last column of truth table, then it is called contradiction. We can simply say if our truth table contain last column all T values, so it is called tautology, and all F values called contradiction. Now next is proposition logic use and application in computer science. So first application is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is work on a two bases 0 and 1, and here T is a 1 and denoted F is a 0. So Boolean algebra is an application of propositional logic. Next is logic use. The gates are used in design and construct complex digital system like CPU, memory and CPU. Programming and algorithm. When we evaluate a condition like if else, yeah, else if, for this condition evaluation we will use the propositional logic also. Database system. It also used in a query language to express conditional selecting statement. Next is artificial intelligence and knowledge representation. Propositional logic, it's work on a Boolean algebra and true and 1. Our computer also work as a two unary numbers 0 and 1. So artificial intelligence and knowledge representation is also an application of propositional logic. So thank you for watching my video.